Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the sleep section in Clock or Health. Do this now. Set a realistic bedtime and wake time using the sliders so your phone learns your routine. Once done, enable the sleep schedule and pick the days it applies. This makes the system trigger wind down automatically. Make sure focus is linked so notifications are limited, because reducing interruptions improves sleep quality. You'll finish initial setup quickly and move into configuring wind down tools next. Now configure wind down. Choose a 15-60 minute duration that fits your routine and add shortcuts you'll actually use. You should add meditation, music, or a home scene for dimmed lights. These make the transition smoother and cue your brain. Once done, turn on Do Not Disturb within focus settings and adjust exceptions for calls or alarms, because selective silencing preserves safety. Make sure the lock screen shows the sleep widget so you can confirm status at a glance. Finish by checking the wake alarm tone and repeat schedule. You want a gentle but reliable alarm. Then open Health to review sleep mode usage and adjust time targets if actual sleep differs. This informs smarter schedules. If the sleep schedule fails to start, first make sure focus is linked to sleep and that permissions for Health and Clock are granted. Try toggling sleep schedule off and on. This often resets triggers. If problems persist, restart the phone and recheck settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.